Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Telegram account. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines from the top left corner. Go to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down, and you will see the Delete My Account section. Click on If Away For. You will see months. Now select the month mentioned. And your Telegram account will be deleted if you stay inactive for a selected time period. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete your account on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.